And we are the first coat we're gonna do. It's really thin, and do not worry if you are going to completely covers the nail yet, because we want to make sure it's thinned in order for it to cure properly. And the pigment is so vibrant, and the consistency is so easy for even beginner nail tech to polish. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And in the meantime, we're waiting for that bananas color to be clear. So we are go ahead and using the teal, and also in the Spring Silix Collections gel polish. Also have the liquid and powders of powder, which is 2-in-1 powder. You can use it with monomers techniques, and you can also do it with the dipping techniques. That is also matching. So we're gonna go ahead and clear this first layer, first coat. And when you are first start with the first layer, don't worry about it's gonna be perfect yet, because you want to do it as thin as possible. 2 thin coat is still better than 1 thick coat. Thank you so much, Instagram, for tuning in. I just dropped the nozzle. Okay. I'm gonna apply the second coat. Okay. And cure for 60 seconds. I just dropped the other one, but we'll see. So hope everyone having a fabulous Monday and productive Monday. If you are having a day off today, have a fabulous day off. If you are working today, have a productive day and amazing days. Makes a lot of appointment, make a lot of money coming in your way. I am so excited. Can't wait, because we're gonna do these 2 colors, 2 chamfer foil, and it's coming, I believe, in foil box number 73 and 72. So many cute flowers. When you look at it, you can have those foil. You can do with on any top of the colors. I was like thinking of this one. Like, I have a couple of the nails right here from ours is Idaho colors. Then you can want to lay out a couple of them and see what's up. When we're waiting for the other one, see that? Cool. See, so you will never go wrong with any colors on the background. All right, so this one is done. And then, I will drop this one quick. So I'm going to put the second coat on and see what's up. Just because I just accidentally dropped it. But I'm going to go ahead and polish another one. Okay. All right. Because we just drop it. So if you're doing for the clients that's happened, the clients that heating something, just make sure you are going to wipe it off first before you apply the second coat on. Before you apply it again. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Okay. First layer for this one. We polish it. And in order for me to do some cute designs for the foil, it's certain spot. So now, if you are chamfering whole entire the chamfer foils on the nails, you don't have to worry about putting any other coat on it. But I am planning to put some cute on the spot right here. So what I'm gonna do, I am go ahead and using the matte top coat, no wipe, like top coat. So then when you're done, is no tacky layer. I'm gonna apply it on and tie the nails, so then later when we do some spot chamfer for image, it will not stick or accidentally it's gonna stick in the residue that is your gel polish. All right, here for 60 seconds on this one, and then this one we're going to do second coat. So for beginner nail tech, if you are having your clients doing clients when they are ready to place their nails under the LED light, they are accidentally heat in the lamp. Just don't try to fix it, just totally wipe it off and start over with the new layer instead of try to have them cure and then put the second layer on. It doesn't work that way. So it is okay. But I want to keep it to show you, you know, so you don't want to cure when it heat. The clients actually heat in the lamp. You're going to see that a lot often. It's more than you think. And then it's normally 5 because sometimes they accidentally and they did it in purposes. So you just need to do is using the lens-free wipe with alcohol and wipe it off, and then start over with a new color, a new layer instead of put it over on it. So we have that banana here. Got 2 of them now. Okay, and then we're gonna do some cute foil on this designs.